All right, little Spitfire. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. So he took himself. Oh, how is she gonna do with all of it? She's the biggest lady around. So she and the other and Timmy were strays in that near that Chevron area.
Yeah, I think I called you one time. No, you called me because you saw me stop on the side of the road or something. You're trying to catch the chocolate and white mama pitbull and that black dog.
Yeah.
It was in that area.
Yeah.
In that same neighborhood. Timmy was loose in a yard that wasn't fenced, but he wouldn't leave the yard. He was very fear aggressive, like charging. And then Morgan was, I guess, brave enough to like go into the gas station parking lot.
So who caught them? You caught them?
Me and this woman named Sherry, who's she's an older lady, and she works really close by.
Good job, little lady.
Works really close, and so she would go 3 to 4 times a day to check on them and feed them. And I set up an elaborate X-pen setup.
Oh, out in the wild.
Yeah, that I had already been thinking about setting up for Courage and Youth.
Yeah, just like a shoot.
Yeah, and she came by one day, and they were all the way at the end of the chute, and she just closed it.
Aha!
Yeah, we tracked them.
Beautiful.
I wasn't expecting to get Timmy.
But look at that, 2 for 1.
There you go.
Hey, Morgan.
You know Elsie's half evil?
Elsie?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm gonna close the gate and let Timmy out.
Leave him in the gate.
Yeah, I'm gonna close
Ivy.
for the video viewers, Morgan is an intact female and Timmy is an intact male. I'm not gonna let Timmy out.
Yeah. No, you're gonna keep him in that. Yeah.
Well, we can see if he has an issue.
What's his social skills like? I mean, he vibes with little lady.
So,
What a hunk.
the day that I got him, I also
Good job.
got... Oh.
I'm listening.
I got these two. I also got a stray shepherd in Alabaster at my neighbor's house. Apparently he came from Pella.
He did?
A white shepherd husky mix.
Oh, probably from like 2 streets over from me.
I got these two and the husky mix all the same day. The husky mix.
Good. Here he comes.
Timmy, of course, is intact. Timmy and the husky pumped Timmy and then started like growling and biting the back of Timmy's neck. And then ever since then, Timmy did not appreciate him.
Yeah,
Understandably, he was a typical husky.
right.
Then I was worried he had issues with intact males. I don't really get many of them, but
Yeah. Good boy.
he hasn't aggressed unless another dog aggresses, but he matches it. Ivy. He's been corrected by Thelma and Morgan and Rudy and Rowdy and not had an issue.
Good, good.
But I'd want him to just be out here. Be interesting. That was kind of weird.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna roll into her. Good. Hey, girlfriend.
I guess the only type he hasn't met is a boy that's more normal in their dog. Well, Rudy's got a lot more confident.
Yeah,
I don't know if you want more. I can
it's probably good.
let Lennox out.
We can do Linux, yeah.
What a real bitch is like. You want that?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna be You think she'll be all right?
Yeah, she'll probably snap at him if he bumps at her.
Yeah.